all things Stacy. If you're new here, hi, my name is Stacy, and on this channel we're all about food, lifestyle, and real life vibes. So come and spend the day with me. I have a few errands to run today. I think I have to go to do something somewhere, and then I have to go get some groceries because me kondo precontre any fufu, which translates to I'm craving pork feet soup and fufu. And also, of course, I'm gonna make some food here and there. I'll also probably stop by the what you call it store, the liquor store, to get some, something to drink because it's been a while. But anyways, let me stop yapping and get to my day because it's gonna be late soon. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get there. I planned on making pork soup. I'm still making pork soup, but I went to the farmer's market and I got some ingredients. So now I'm gonna go to the African store and get some fufu. And also I'm craving something to drink, maybe some wine or beer. I'm not sure. So I'm headed to the African store right now. So I just got back. I went to the African store. I got some groceries. My daughter wanted some bread. Am I the only one that loves sugar bread? I love sugar bread. This one in particular, in the US, you can find it everywhere. Thomas Buns bread. It's so good. Also, I got some onions. Got the yellow onions. And I got some okra. So when I'm done, with the fufu, of course I'm gonna put some okra in there. But when I'm done with the fufu, I'm gonna turn that soup into okra soup because I have some bankwe, and bankwe is my favorite. So of course I have to. I also got some fufu. Normally I go for the cocoyam fufu. I love cocoyam fufu, but today I wanted to try the plantain fufu. I'm from BA. BA, Jane, fufu. It kind of said, what's cocoyam? Nana, what's cocoyam? What's the tree name of cocoyam? What's the tree name of cocoyam? What is the tree name of cocoyam? Mankeni fufu and Baira fufu. That's Bono people, our specialty. Also, I got some noodles, indomie, to make some fried indomie. I love fried indomie. I think that's what I got from, and I got some canned tomatoes. That's what I got from the African store. And I went to the wine store, but I did not get wine. I'm a wine girly all through and through, Badenera to be precise. That's, if you want to get me wine, that's what you get for me. But today I wanted some wine cooler, so I got this Smirnoff pineapple coconut Smirnoff. I've not had it before. Normally I go for like what do you call them? The beer, not the beer, but it's like a sweeter version of beer. Wow, I'm really having brain freezes today, but it's like a sweeter version of beer. I think it's called ciders. I go for ciders, but I don't know. I saw this and I thought this will be good, so I wanted to try it. I asked him if I could like mix and match it, but he told me I could buy like one at a time, and I had already grabbed this. So yeah, so this is all that I got from the wine store. And as I said, I'm a wine girly, but I don't know what's going on. I just decided to get this. Also, I went to the farmer's market, as you can see, and I got my pig feet, what we're going to be using today. This is salted pig. I remember the first time I made this, I did not cook it, and it was so salty. I would not recommend. I also got some red snapper. We call it red fish in Ghana. So I got that. I'm gonna make that with the pork feet. But I think I have everything else in the fridge, so I'm gonna put these away and we're gonna start cooking. Okay. I have some cocoyam fufu, so that's what I'm gonna be making. Okay, we just made the fufu. It's so good. I'm about to dig in. I'm so hungry. I've not had anything to eat all day. And also, I have my yeah, it's ghetto. Do you do this? I put the lid right back in and it takes the fizz out. You see that? I also have my toast straw here. I like flat sodas. Anything with fizz, I like it flat. So I normally like to shake it till it's like flat. I made it spicy. I'm gonna try to eat. Good morning. This is the next day and this is what I'm having for breakfast. It's actually late. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's 11:30, but I'm gonna have some breakfast. Honestly, I'm gonna just relax and enjoy because tomorrow I got work. It's my day off. I was cleaning, putting the food away. Yesterday I was able to eat the fufu. It was so good. I also made some jollof rice for work. And yeah, basically it's me day. I finished cleaning the house, so I get to relax a little bit. I don't know what's gonna be fun for me to vlog, but if I don't see you again, I hope to see you next week. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video, and don't forget to turn your notification bells on. I love you all. Stay good. Bye.